doing? Or should I say, what is up, guys? Today we are going to get stuck into the K15. Needs a pretty desperate paint job. It was painted 20 years ago. We pulled stickers off. It made it look horrible. So my mate Max, who owns the car with me, got stuck into it the other day, pulled it all apart, and today we're going to start sanding. So I'll give you a quick look at where we're at now. So the car's been all stripped down. Everything that needs to be off's off. The lights out. All the over fenders have been taken off. All these bits and pieces, perspex glass has been taken out. So we're going to get sanding. Prepping for a paint job. I've never painted a car before. This will be the first one. So kind of keen to get stuck into it. So yeah, this will be blocked back to reasonably flat. We'll bog a few bits that aren't quite the way they should be, and we put paint on it, I guess. So we just got this stuff resting in place. Try and stop too much going inside. Again, cardboard. Bagged all this up. Some extra bags around the carbs. So try and stop as much sanding dust from getting where it doesn't need to go. So good friend Dan, absolute mad lad, gave us his compressor for the day, which is awesome. With a second gun, whole stack of sanding sheets is going to make life pretty easy. Just bang through them. So thank you very much, Daniel son. So I'm going to run 2 compressors and 2 sanders. So we've got the shop compressor that's rigged up to the reel on the wall, and then we're going to run the second one so we can both get stuck into a side each. Should make life a little bit quicker. with us on this all day, roughly 9 hours, call it 8.5. We stopped for lunch. 2 sanders going flat out, so fair bit of work. We're mostly there, just a few finishing touches to go. We've discovered that the front panels are originally white, so they've obviously taken these panels off of another car at some stage, because the body itself's red. And then this door is also white as well. That's kind of interesting. But yeah, we sanded the bulk of everything off. See up here on the roof, which is not very flat. We've got all these high spots here where we've gone right back to steel, and we've still got yellow paint in the low spots. So that's going to need a bit of work, but get that on the big jobs. So yeah, whole heap of sanded. Made a bit of a mess, but a bit of fun. This is all back. We realised that they'd left the clear coat on the original red after they painted it. So we decided to sand right back and go right and take the clear coat of the original paint job completely off. We've come back to a fair bit of bare steel while doing that, but yeah. Heaps of hand sanding now with all smaller sections like this. Got to get in here and hand sand all of this, do all the door jambs. So not really exciting sort of work to film, but get the idea where we're up to.